Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Rider Rob, and today I've got this helmet Bluetooth headset. Let me try to focus it. Let's unbox this. We got some user manual, and the box is empty now. I think this is to stick inside the helmet. We got a charging cable and the headset itself. There's a microphone and volume up and down key, and there's a key for attending the phone calls and turning it on. When you long press it,
power on.
yes, once you long press it, it turns on. You can see this red and blue light. I got a gift card. It says log into your account, find your order, provide seller feedback, and write product reviews. And it says send your order number and approved customer review link to this number, which is 7990840803, and receive ₹50 quick cashback. Maybe they'll send us a gift card. Let's check this later. And there's a user manual. It talks about powering on, pairing the device, and some installation procedure. And on the other side, so these are called magic tapes. It's a Velcro. There's already one attached on the speaker, and I think you just need to fix this here, and you need to remove this and stick it on the helmet. That's how this works, and it's a Velcro. So what you need to do is already have the camera's microphone. And what you need to do is remove the side pad. Okay, so this is on the right side, and this is on the left side. This is how it looks on the inside, and there's already a slot here where you need to fix the headset. And on the other side, and also there's a gap where you can get the microphone up to this place. And let me install this and show it to you. I think this will not take much time. First thing is let me fix this magic tape. This is on the left side now. Let me also fix it on the right side. You also need to remove the padding from the back side. And I forgot to tell you that you have a charging port. And this is how the length of the wire is. It's almost a feet long. I also have the action camera's microphone cable running inside the helmet, and I need to take it off that also. The left one is fixed. So guys, the installation is over. It just hardly took me 5 minutes. This is where the left side speaker is placed. That's where the microphone and the controls are. So that is how I've routed right side's cable. Here is the right side speaker. And for the charging port, on SMK helmets, there's a provision where you can fit the intercom. Right now I don't have intercom. I'm utilizing this place to keep the charging port. Later I can just push it back in and put the cap. So that's not a big deal. Let me fix all the pads back. It's cool, and the microphone is right up here, so let me turn it on.
Power on.
Okay, let me keep this microphone inside the helmet. So let me pair it with my mobile phone. It says BT8, so that is the one, and you click OK.
Connected.
It says connected, and let's play some music. This is at the full volume, and the microphone is inside the helmet. Let me close the visor. So guys, hope this sounded good. You have different versions of this, and higher version, even an intercom version. You can check that out. I'll give the link in the description. Thank you for watching, and as always, ride safe. Take care. Bye bye.